As per our ongoing Cardano cost expectation, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 239.34%, coming to $1.19 by end of 2025 in opposition to prevalent thinking. All specialized markers demonstrate that the exceptionally current opinion truly is negative, while the trepidation and veracity record is perusing 20.47, which basically implies intense apprehension. Our Cardano figure, it's hazardous to generally sell Cardano at this moment. On Walk 6, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among Cardano cost expectations. See the specific Cardano cost forecast beneath. You will in a real sense know the amount Cardano is especially worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Cardano has diminished by 17.28%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of an extremely slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they basically thought. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Cardano expanded by 112.90% and came to approach around 71 cents amazingly. Right now, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and veracity record shows 20.47 intense feelings of dread, which is very critical. As per our figure, this essentially isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Cardano in a real sense. At present, Cardano is exchanging beneath the 200 really basic moving normal in opposition to prevalent thinking. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown a Cardano selling truly signal. The cost of Cardano is presently running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell in every way that really matters, signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 37 cents toward the finish of December incredibly. By December 2023, 2024, Cardano's transient 50-day SMA shows a 37 cent. The overall strength record. RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unpretentious way. RSI is right now at Ursivalu, or so they basically thought. This demonstrates that the ADA market sort of is in a purchase position. Cardano ADA, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Cardano came to 40 cents. When it explicitly dipped under 24 cents, interestingly since January 2021, in an unpretentious manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Cardano is headed to passing the 73 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 73 cents, it might break its characteristic of $3.10 and fundamentally reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will explicitly break its past all-time extremely high of $3.10 and hold somewhere in the range of 71 cents and 73 cents soon. At this point, on 6 Walk 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 33 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in every practical sense is around 189.49 M. And it most certainly makes number 7 money in the entire crypto world, which is genuinely critical. Cardano value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Cardano can, in a real sense, get through the 86 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In every practical sense, least Cardano cost will generally be between 71 cents to 86 cents, and the most probable Cardano cost will be consistent at around 79 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth-hostile energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Cardano will reach 86 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Cardano value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that ADA will begin the year at 98 cents and exchange around $1.19, or so they thought. As per their forecasts, this would essentially be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This in a real sense is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Cardano value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Cardano 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal really most extreme $1.51 level, which certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano is anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.39 or $1.51 in 2026, and it could basically be the extended period of Cardano. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Cardano Value Forecast, or ADA, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it basically can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano's cost by and large is supposed to outperform $1.51 in 2027, or so they thought. It really has been fundamentally anticipated that Cardano will arrive at the greatest cost of $1.51, and the base cost is supposed to by and large be around $1.27 in the following a long time from 2027. Cardano Gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Cardano Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Cardano, is supposed to cross a value level of $1.72 in 2028. In the interim, Cardano is supposed to really arrive at an extremely least cost of $1.58 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $1.78. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cardano Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation really anticipate that the expense of Cardano will in every practical sense reach $2.43, and the cost of ADA ought to reach $2.43 before the year is over. Furthermore, ADA can reach up to $2.24 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will basically bring huge years for Cardano development, or so they thought. ADA Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Cardano Value Forecast truly are supposed to cross the $3.45 normal cost level, as per Cardano Gauge and Specialized Examination in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano's genuinely least cost in every way that really matters is supposed to generally be $3.24, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, ADA can explicitly arrive at a very greatest value level of $3.47. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano will in every practical sense have a typical cost of $3.47. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Cardano Value Forecast 2031. Cardano cost is assessed to explicitly reach $4.56 by 2031, at genuinely least in a quite huge way, with a typical exchanging cost of $4.68 all through 2031. Cardano's worth could explicitly come to $4.77 at its most noteworthy. The experts anticipate that the exceptionally most extreme cost should exchange around $4.68. Cardano Figure 2032. Of every 2032, Cardano will attempt to essentially arrive at the least degree of $6.22. It might sort of attempt to get the most extreme and truly next really top level of $6.44, with the typical gauge cost of $6.35, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking.